all I have to do just pin the web page, and it is going to summarize the web page for me. So here is the summary of what I am currently reading on the web page. So I think this app is very awesome. Today video I would like to share you how to get AI feature from Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and get it on your iPhone. So I have my iPhone 15 Pro Max at the back here. So now let me show you how this feature work first on S24 Ultra. Usually if you go into internet browser on your S24 Ultra, you're gonna find a star button which it is going to summarize a web page. With this feature, it is easier for you to identify the main point of the web page that you are reading. So now let me click on the summarize button here and show you how it works on S24 Ultra first. So you can see here we have like a summary in it is summarized in bullet point. Now take a look on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have the exact same feature on the 15 Pro Max. All I have to do just pin the web page, and it is going to summarize the web page for me. So here is the summary of what I am currently reading on the web page. So I think this app is very awesome. It is an app called Arc Search. You can go ahead and download from the App Store, and then you're gonna search for this app. It is completely free, and here we go. Just go ahead and download the app. So the good thing about this app, it has no ads, so which means that it has a clean UI. You have like the plus button here, you have web page, so it is very awesome. Now let me show you one more example on this website, apple.com. So let's summarize this page. So I'm gonna pin here just like that, and we have the bullet point of the web page, so what it is about, what it is going to be. You can compare between the S24 Ultra and the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I think this feature is very awesome, and thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we'll see you guys in the next one.